Yes, please.
Hello, warm good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Anuja Redmi, standing in front of you to give a short presentation on as a part of our project. And the company we have selected for our project is Spice. As I belongs to the group 4, and my friends Matthias already told some brief introduction about the Spice beer. So I would like to give more information about the history of Spice and the brand popularity and the steps that are taken by the company for the brand success. So let's begin with the history. Uh, the Spice was established in Dunedin City in 1876 in New Zealand, and it was introduced by James Spite, Charles Greenslade, and William Dawson. So the name of the beverage is named after by the name of James Spite, and it is the best known as Spice Gold Medal Ale because the company has won the gold medal, and it is firstly owned by a Japanese controlling holding company called the Lion, and nowadays it is regarded as a best known brewery beverage in New Zealand. And I would like to give more information about brand popularity, why the Spice is more popular in New Zealand. Spice already won the gold medal 3 times, so it has 3 pointed stars in the logo, and it won the first gold medal in 1880 at the Melbourne International Exhibition that gave rise to the Spice Gold Medal Ale brand. So in 1923, the company also merged with the 9 other breweries to form New Zealand Breweries Company, and it is also known as the best-selling beers in New Zealand, and it is regarded as the pride of South as well. So I want to show ad that shows that the Spice is one of the most popular beverage in the and regarded as the pride of South. So let's watch the video.
You going to the Deerstalkers Ball this year?
And playing on it.
I've got a live band. Spot prizes. Mrs. McConnell's making a venison pie for the supper.
Oh, yeah.
They've got Spanks on tap all night and a late license.
She makes a fair game pie, does Mrs. McConnell.
Oh, right.
I've got 2 tickets. Tell you what, it's on me.
Fair enough. Might see you there then.
Good on you, mate. Spikes, pride of the South for over 125 years.
Good sport, that Sheriff.
Generous to a fault, boy. Bull pie.
That's that. Let's continue the tour. Come on this way, folks.
You're looking at the 8th wonder of the world, boy. Probably the 9th. Reckon. Sometimes that you feel humbled by your own insignificance.
Tour's gone. Door's locked. She don't open till Monday. We're trapped.
Some might say that, boy. Some might just say, thank you.
Suppose you better call for help.
Help? I don't know about you, but all this yelling's left me fair parched.
Shall we?
Good on you, mate. This could be the start of a whole new adventure, boy. Reckon.
Yeah, from the video we already know that it is known as the Pride of South, and the organization is also organizing beverage tours to attract the customers, new customers as well. Uh, so I would like to talk about the brand success and what are the steps that are adopted by the company to make the brand more successful. First of all, I would like to say like brand building. What is meant by the brand building, and how can a company build a successful brand in the market? Uh, uh, Basically, brand building is a continuous process in which the company set up the vision and position in the market. And in most of the organization around the world, the successful of the brand building is based on the long-term relationship with the customers and the creations of the customer loyalty. So in order to make a successful brand, the company needs to adopt some of the steps, and where I'm going to describe. And the steps are conducting effective research, determining a target audience of the brand, defining a mission of our brand, and the marketing brand, and delivering consistent brand communications. So first of all, I would like to describe the first one, that is conducting effective research. The first step before branding the product is to understand the market. In order to do, the company needs to answer few questions from the respondents, like how the customers view the brand as compared to the other brands, and how the brand is perceived in the market. Similarly, how about the brand awareness from the customers, and which characteristics are associated with the brand, so that the customers will know, so that the company will get detailed information from the research and follow the steps in order to make the brand more successful. And the next one is the steps for determining a target audience of our brand. In order to determine the target audience of the brand, the companies will define and understanding the perception of the brand of the company in the market. And then after, the company needs to define the group of the customers, what they want to target, and how to communicate with the customers. In order to get the customers' potential attention, the company should adopt the mission of the company in order to meet the requirements in a best possible manner. Then the company also needs to establish communication with the customers by organizing different types of events and campaigns, so that the customers can involve physically and get detailed information about the product from the management team as well. And the Spice company should also need to decide what type of communication will best deliver the message to the customers or the audience they are targeting. So determining audience on the basis of their demography, age, gender, and interest will help the company to target the niche market into the different segments. So the next one is defining the mission of the brand. Once the organization defines the target market, the next step is to define the mission of the brand in order to meet the values of the customers and their needs and wants. So the vision on the mission of the company are the statements that represents the reasons for existence of the company in the market. These statements are usually defined to guide the brand building process of the company across the different channels of the market. And for this, the company need to articulate the company missions across the channel, so that it's path for the communication process. And for that, the Spice is trying to carry on internationally competitive cost-based approach supported by the digital investment for the system and process quality. And furthermore, they are also accelerating their cultural effectiveness with the reason of for focusing the customer centricity, innovation, and the accountability. And the next step is the marketing brand. Usually the company markets the brand for the promotion of their brand or the products and to meet the customers' expectations. After the company define the mission, vision, and the target market, the company needs to follow the different marketing strategies in order to promote the brand and to reach the audience, so that the customer can get a clear message of the product and the company that offers in the market. And the company label features the 3-pointed stars as shown in the picture as well, that is come from both the original provincial of arms of Otago and the fact that Sprite was awarded gold medals at breweries award in 3 different countries. So furthermore, I would like to show a short marketing advertisement shown by the Spice company, and let's watch the next video.
We all have grand plans, but a plan can't barbecue your steak or keep water in a swimmable shape. Plans need beers.
Beers?
That's right, beers. Why should you finish staining that table?
Beers.
Why should you help your mate modify his bicycle?
Beers.
Why create that indoor-outdoor flow? Beers. So stop sitting on the fence you haven't built yet. Get your mates and spates together and finish your unfinished project. Beers.
Yeah. So the company also market their different products related to the brands, like they also have the cider, they also have the lager, and they also have the ultra summit Sprite. And furthermore, the company is also selling their products related to the brand, like bags, caps, clothes, and other stuffs. And the last one is delivering consistent brand communication. The company can deliver its brand communication through different channels to maintain the relationship with the customers and to connect the audience to the company's core brand. Before the organization defined the marketing strategies, the organization had to define and develop an effective brand and incorporate its identity in order to meet the needs and wants of the customers. And recently, Spice Southern Man advertising campaign has been more popular and long-running. That shows that the Spice is more popular in New Zealand, and the Sprite's main marketing slogan, that is Pride of the South, has been used in association with the advertisement for a number of years. Thus, creating an international branding model will help the audience to understand and connect its core brand to the different companies and the audience as well. So, any questions?
That wasn't a question. Okay, cool.
Okay, thank you. And there is a image reference that I have got from there. If you need to explore more ideas, you can have a look over there. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.